Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that their iPhone screen not working since updating to new version of iOS update. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Make sure that your finger and your iPhone screen are clean and dry. If your finger is watery or oily, touch screen not working. First solution is select Use Initial Touch Location. For that, go to Settings app, find and tap on Accessibility. Here tap on Touch. Now tap on Touch Accommodations. Under Tap Assistance, select Use Initial Touch Location. Now scroll down the screen to bottom and tap on Swipe Gestures. Then turn on Swipe Gestures. Under Require Moment, select Standard. Solution 2 is remove tempered glass and case. Remove the case and tempered glass on your iPhone, then check whether your screen is working or not. If it works, then problem is in your case or tempered glass. Solution 3 is force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 4 is reset all settings. When you do reset all settings, all your customized settings will go back to default settings, but no data and media will be deleted. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Now scroll down to bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Select Reset All Settings to confirm the process. Solution 5 is downgrade to iOS 15. Downgrade your iPhone from iOS 16 to iOS 15. Before that, take a full backup. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.